Laminate PVC Encapsulated Heating Film Installation Guide for Wooden Floors. Before installation of the Laminate PVC Encapsulated Heating Film, prepare the ground according to the required specifications. The electrical system must meet the design standards or requirements. After modifying the electrical system, clean and level the initial floor and reserve the final floor elevation as required. According to the room layout, plan the number and location of thermostats in advance, and prepare the thermostat power cable and groups before installing the underfloor heating. When laying the heating film, group the heating films in the room according to the thermostat's load. For example, a 16-amp thermostat should carry heating films under 3000 watts at 220 to 230 volts and under 1920 watts at 110 to 120 volts. If the total heating load exceeds the above values, additional thermostats are needed. After the ground inspection is passed, lay the insulation boards in sequence. Insulation boards prevent heat loss downward, and polyurethane boards are recommended. Keep gaps between the insulation boards within 5 mm and fix them with regular tape. Place the external temperature sensor. Each Wi-Fi thermostat comes with 2 temperature sensor wires, one for the thermostat and one as a spare. Ensure that the area for laying the heating film is clean and free of debris. Lay the heating film evenly and flatly on the insulation boards according to the design drawings, leaving a 5 to 10 cm gap between the films. Ensure that the marked side of the heating film faces upwards. Attach the temperature sensor to any heated area of the heating film and secure it with regular tape. Unroll the wires on the heating film. Each piece of heating film comes with 4 meters of wire. Brown is the live wire, blue is the neutral wire. Lay the power cable neatly. Install the thermostat extension wires, the junction box, and connect the power cable to the junction box. After securing, attach the dust cover and install the cover plate. Perform a test using a multimeter in resistance mode to measure the resistance of the heating film lead wire. Based on the measured resistance, calculate the power and record it. Compare with the design power, and if the deviation is within 10%, the test is considered passed. Use a magnetometer to test the insulation resistance of the heating film lead wire and the protective earth PE wire. Ensure the normal resistance value is above 2 megohms. Perform a power-on test using a 220 or 110 volt temporary power supply. At the same time, use a clamp ammeter to measure the current in the circuit. Calculate the power based on the measured current, and if the deviation from the design power is within 10%, the test is considered passed. Perform a power-on test for the heating film using a thermometer to check the heating condition. After the test passes, the thermostat can be installed. Generally, thermostats need to be connected to the live and neutral wires of the power supply and load, as well as the probe wire. Be sure to distinguish between live and neutral wires during installation to avoid incorrect connections. For more details, please watch our thermostat installation tutorial. After the thermostat installation is complete, check for any abnormalities in the distribution system. If there are no issues, proceed to install the wooden floor. It is recommended to set the energy-saving heating temperature between 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. Frequent use of electric heating will increase energy consumption, so it is recommended to use electric heating in a regulated manner. When people are indoors, set the room temperature between 18 to 22 degrees Celsius. When the room is unoccupied for a long time, Set the temperature between 8 to 10 degrees Celsius. The electric heating system can be turned off if the room is unoccupied for an extended period.